Hello everyone and welcome to Season 2 of our Spotlight series. I am absolutely delighted to have all of you join us today. This season, get ready for an even more captivating experience. We will be introducing a host of new offers, providing in-depth analysis and much more. Whether you are a customer, a partner, or simply intrigued by our innovative solution, this series is tailored just for you. Without further ado, let's kick off the first episode of this exciting new season of the Spotlight series. The offer in focus today is AvatarON, which has been adapted to the requirements of the Saudi market, addressing British standard specifications. In the ever-evolving world of interior design, the fusion of aesthetics and functionality is paramount. With a growing demand for more aesthetic solutions in residential and hotel settings, a new trend has emerged. With AvatarON, we are bringing a frameless, amazing aesthetic and a wide range of functionalities to delight our customers. This is a perfect offer for residential and hotel projects. It has been designed from day one with electricians in the entire development lifecycle to bring robustness and all the details that is the installation. To deep dive more into this offer, I have Shilpa, the offer manager, with me here, who will unpack all the amazing details of our range, AvatarON. Over to you, Shilpa.
Thank you, Denis, and hello to all our viewers. Today, we are thrilled to introduce the AvatarON for Middle East, meticulously designed to elevate your surroundings in a new realm of satisfaction, efficiency, innovation, and safety. So what are the key elements that make AvatarON a game changer in Saudi? First, the AvatarON features a double pole design for the switched sockets, meeting the critical safety standards mandated for Saudi. With multiple combinations for 13 amps 250 volts switched sockets, including the various double pole options with and without LED and USB. It offers unparalleled flexibility without compromising on safety. The second element is its frameless design, exuding the sleek elegance. Locate light switches easily with a soft LED locator, adding a convenience to its sophisticated appeal. And last but not the least, the AvatarON incorporates advanced functionalities such as a smart fast charging technology, offering a 21-watt USB A+C options with or without LED. Its adaptability to different wall box installations in terms of depth and different conditions such as concrete, marble, granite and wood ensures seamless integration in diverse settings. Discover the future of residential design with AvatarON. Elevate aesthetics, prioritize safety and embrace innovation. Now back to you, Denis.
Thank you, Shilpa, for the incredible insight into our latest offer, AvatarON, and its remarkable features. I also want to take a moment to express my deep appreciation for the tireless efforts of our entire project team. Your unwavering dedication and hard work have been pivotal in delivering an exceptional offer to the market. I am truly grateful for your remarkable commitment and creativity. As we wrap up this episode, I want to remind you that this is just the beginning of what we have planned for this Season 2. We've got more exciting updates in store for you. Until then, stay tuned, stay connected. See you soon.